Good evening, friends. Today it is 20th of September 2021 and time is 6:50 p.m. यानी शाम के 6:50 हो रहे हैं और इस वक्त मैं ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ। आज 20 सितंबर 2021। तो आज दिन भर में कैसे मूवमेंट हुआ उसका मैंने लाइव अपडेट भी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे फेसबुक पेज पे भी अपलोड किया था। I assume that most of you must have tried to book profits. So it was overall a great day for us. So let us try to see what happened today and what is the expected movement in Nifty and Bank Nifty on tomorrow. So this is a Nifty spot chart in front of you, and you can observe today there was a huge gap down here, and we observed that Nifty tried to open here as it was updated on my paid WhatsApp group that if Nifty tries to open or at any time during the day appears closer to 17,040, 17,440 to 17,420, then it is an excellent buying opportunity. Buy that and you will get minimum 100 points up move. So this rally was cashed, yes, and later on it was advised to book the entire profit here, partial profit here and entire profit here. Thereafter it was suggested that with a stop loss of 17,630. The YouTube video link also, if required, I will definitely share with this. Yes, I recorded this video during the live market itself, and then it was suggested that you can keep a stop loss of 17,630 and you can go for the short sale with the expected move to approach this particular target. And here we book the profit. Thereafter, Nifty was sideways, and then as soon as it broke this level of 17,500, then a sharp fall in the Nifty was observed. Now this was very important zone. This was very important zone. And which is this zone? This is 17,420 to 17,390. So it was expected that Nifty, at least for this particular day, Nifty will not be able to close below 17,390. However, if you observe, Nifty has tried to close below this level 17,390. What does it mean? It means that it is still bearish. It is still bearish, and now considering this candlestick pattern, your stop loss is just above this candle, which is this price, which is the top of this candle. It is 17,446. So you can assume 17,451 as the stop loss, and Nifty is expected to further fall. Which can be the next target? The next target can be, yes. So let me delete all the drawings. Yeah. So next expected target can be here. It has opened this next target of 17,300 to 17,282. 17,300 to 17,282, or say 280. Yes. So this zone is important, which may act as a support, and if this zone also gets broken during the day, successfully gets broken, then you can further see the next level of 17,216, 228 to 216, that may be seen. Okay, we will see that in the live market, how at actually Nifty tries to behave. But at present, since Nifty has tried to close below 13,000, 17,390, so it has opened the next target of 17,300 to 17,280. Yes. So this is the view regarding Nifty. However, if Nifty tries to successfully trade above 17,420, then we will try to buy Nifty for a target of 17,504 to 17,520. Okay, this can be the immediate target. Yes. So this is the view for tomorrow. We will see how at actually Nifty will try to behave in this zone, and accordingly we will try to either buy or we will try to short sell. Present view is, since Nifty has tried to close below 17,390, it is expected to fall further. Okay, let us try to talk about Bank Nifty now. So this is a chart of Bank Nifty in front of you, and here you can observe in Bank Nifty also. In Bank Nifty also, you can observe there was a rise. Yes, and here it was informed that you can keep a stop loss of 37,830. 37,830, this can be the stop loss. This can be the stop loss, and you can make a short sell position. You can initiate a short sell position in Bank Nifty. You can initiate a short sell position in Bank Nifty. So I have just tried to change the time frame, which was previously 1 hour time frame. Now it has been changed to 5 minutes time frame. So here it was expected that Bank Nifty to fall from this particular level, the 37,830. That can be considered as a stop loss. You can observe that is already mentioned in my YouTube video during live market, which was prepared and uploaded around 10:45 a.m. morning. So accordingly, we observed a fall in the Bank Nifty, fall in the Bank Nifty. It tried to struggle here and once again tried to trade below this zone, say 37,543, and we observed further fall. So this particular target got achieved. So here I asked my all clients to book the full profit. Thereafter, Bank Nifty still showed further weakness and it has tried to trade within this zone. Which is this zone? 37,100 to 37,030. So this zone is very important and this is expected to act as a important support. So Bank Nifty, these are the spot levels for the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is expected to rise provided it should try to it should try to trade above 37,100. When we observe any candle in 5 minute chart open and close above 37,100, 37,100, this is a very important level. When Bank Nifty tries to sustain above 37,100, then you may expect a bounce in the Bank Nifty to approach 37,290 to 37,357, and further rise may occur when it tries to sustain above 37,357. Yes, so that is the expectation, but minimum expected up move is this 200 points. 200 points in Bank Nifty means approximately 5,000 against one lot, because lot size is 25. So 25 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 200, it is 5,000. So 5,000 rupees trade is expected in Bank Nifty on tomorrow, where you can short sell in Bank Nifty only when it tries to sustain below 37,000. However, still 36,971, this can be another support. So it is better not to short sell further Bank Nifty. We will try to take the actual trade during the live market depending on the price movement, but at present, I think the entire bearish move in the Bank Nifty appears to be over. So let us try to see the chart in 1 hour time frame as well as in daily time frame, how the candles have been formed. So in 1 hour chart it indicates that the further fall in the bank nifty can expect next target around this 36,755 to 36,679. So this may be possible. Okay, so if it tries to sustain below 37,000, then your stop loss will be just above 37,100. Okay, and thereafter thereafter you can expect further fall to approach this target. So this is the view on the bank nifty, how we can trade for tomorrow's session. Let me check again for daily candle. It is still bearish signal, because this is the bearish hanging man. This is what this is bearish hanging man followed by what, followed by, let me delete these lines. Yes, okay. So bearish hanging man, thereafter gap down opening, gap is your friend. So, and this particular opening is below the low of previous day, that is 37,396. This was the close, this was the low for Friday, and on Monday it tried to open around 37,372. So it was a gap down opening, and hence gap is your friend. Accordingly, it has tried to give a red candle here. So I think even 36,755 to 36,679 seems possible. It all depends on how Nifty and Bank Nifty will try to open tomorrow. Accordingly, we will try to make the setup. But as far as possible, I have tried to share some of the levels and some of my views on the Nifty and Bank Nifty. There was another trade suggested on my paid WhatsApp group regarding Havels, and you can observe the short sale in Havels was informed around when it was below 1450. When below 1450, then 1448, this can be a entry level short sale, and SL was above 1452. 1452, this was the SL, and it was expected to approach 1400. So if you observe, almost the entire target in Havels is over. Yes, now in Havels, since each one point is equal to 500 rupees. So approximately 50 points multiplied by 500, so 25k trade in this is, I am talking about one day intraday. Yes, in one day this 25k INR trade in Havels is done. Okay, so this is how you can try to trade futures and options. And my trade setup is very simple. What I do, I just try to follow the candlestick patterns, the basics of candlesticks, and I just try to mark these levels. And these are all my preset levels. You can even observe my previous YouTube videos also, where I have shared all these links, all these levels, also on my website pritamfinserve.com, pritamfinserve. pritamfinserv.com. On this website also I have shared number of times the same levels. So in Nifty 17,320, 17,300 to 280. This is important level, and thereafter 17,228 to 216. That is the another level. Okay, yeah. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like, please click on the like button to subscribe to my channel. If you are interested to enroll for the paid services, paid WhatsApp group services where I keep on posting my views during the live market, so that the clients will be able to trade in the live market. They comes to know where to keep the stop loss, whether to buy or whether to sell. That means whether to be bullish or to be bearish on the market at that particular moment during the live market. Where should be your stop loss, where should be your entry, and where should be your target. Okay, all such kinds of live supports are provided on the paid WhatsApp group. If I get some time, then definitely I will also try to share the posts that I have made on the paid WhatsApp group. Thank you very much for watching this video.